this video, I would like to guide you through the different sections of this course. During this course, I'm going to talk about different stocks, but don't take this as personal advice. I don't know your financial background, and I made this course based on my own financial situation. I share this because it can change the way you think and improve your financial situation in the long run. Get inspired, take what you feel is right for you, and ignore what you don't find useful. We will start with the mindset. I will let you know what you need in order to start, and no, you don't need a lot of money. In order to get to a particular destination, you must have a vision of this destination. After watching this video and after watching this course, you won't feel the need to invest in real estate anymore. Market crashes are simply an opportunity for you to generate much more passive income. By the end of this section, you will make a list of potential stocks to buy. I will show you how to find the stocks you need for generating monthly income. I will give you a quick checklist to filter your list. It's not a deep analysis, but this is the minimum you need in order to start. I want you to be inspired to start right away without letting it bother you in your day-to-day life. Only after you invest in a stock will you start to be interested in it. Here is how you can fulfill your desire. I will talk about the 3 main ways to increase your passive income. If it's possible, it's better to invest regularly. You can invest the fruits of your investments. You can shorten the way to your goal. I will talk about the right way to manage your portfolio and about how you can learn from yourself in order to move forward. I will show you how to create a balanced portfolio that will grow with time and generate a lot of cash. You should write down your trades. Monitor your monthly passive income every month to see what you can improve for the next month. Although it's impossible to time the market, I still want to give you some tools. You can learn the stock price movements. Use some technical indicators to help you buy at the right time. You might be tempted to buy and sell stocks, so you can try it. Maybe you won't find it as a waste of time like me. This is the final step. After you repeat the process over and over again, you can still improve your portfolio. I will explain why it's necessary to diversify your portfolio even more. I will show you how to find good stocks to spice up your passive income. All you have to do after watching this course is simply keep repeating the same process you already know until you reach your financial freedom.